It's our friend Eddies Dominos, and they're not having pizza till like 11:30, 10:18. I don't have time to wait on that. So I'm gonna order Pizza Hut. And then when Pizza Hut shows up, it'll be right at the time that the pizza here is ready. So it'll be perfect. I'll be like, hey guys, anybody that doesn't like Domino's, I got Pizza Hut over here. All right, we got the Pizza Hut. Hey Eddie, do you wanna try some real pizza? No, don't ruin my pizza! This is my pizza! No! No! Oh! Screw you, Domino's! What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. We're new to the channel. I'm Lambro Steve. Today we're at Domino's. My friend Eddie owns all these Domino's, and we're doing a benefit drive for St. Jude. We're doing a thing for St. Jude, but I wanted you to see, we had some cars show up, obviously. The Rolls is over there, the Lambo's still out of town, but our friend Bob just showed up with his new Ferrari 488 Pista. I'm gonna get a rundown of this whole car.
Brand new text, new connect, brand new tech. Ask Alexa who up next. She hit me back and said I'm all in on they rolls. If I had a better check, better.
All right, we just had a meeting of the drivers. Why am I facing the sun? We just had a meeting of the drivers. We're about to roll out. I'm gonna try to sneak in the front by the Lambo. I didn't even show you this, but my friend Clay over here's got the blue twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan. Pretty sweet. Let's hear it start up. All right, everybody's rocking. We're gonna hop in the rolly. Boop. Woo! Throw out a little spit back there, Lambo. Come on, baby. You want to race? The Lambo don't want none. Don't want none of the rolls. All right, here we go. We finally got someone to get out front and go. Okay, Lambros, we've almost made it down to the event. It's gonna be at a Domino's on Sheridan in Tulsa. And just past the Popo, but he had someone else pulled over. And we weren't speeding, so there's that too. So at least I wasn't. Anyway, we're gonna go down here and see what's cracking at Eddies Dominos. Raise some money for St. Jude. What up?
So we're sending everybody back. They're gonna park you.
Okay.
Okay.
They're gonna park us? He was driving your car pretty crazy.
It's a psycho.
He is.
Psycho.
All right, off the park. Okay, people, we had to hide. I'm here with Morgan, and we had to hide in the Rolls because the music is so loud, and we can't have none of that music that we have to pay royalties on in our YouTube. I had an idea, and I thought it would be cool if Morgan could help me execute it. We're currently at Domino's. See that? We're at Domino's Pizza. It's our friend Eddie's Dominos, and they're not having pizza till like 11:30, and it's like 10:18. I don't have time to wait on that. So I'm gonna order Pizza Hut. And have it delivered here. So I'm gonna put unit 103. That way they're like, that'd be weird. We're like next to the Domino's. 1 second. I'm gonna look up the Pizza Hut number. I'm gonna call pay by phone because I don't really have the app because all I order is Domino's. And we'll be back. Okay, we have a little bit of a setback. It is currently 10:20 in the morning. Pizza Hut doesn't open till 11. So crap. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until 11, and then when Pizza Hut shows up, it'll be right at the time that the pizza here is ready. So it'll be perfect. I'll be like, hey guys, anybody that doesn't like Domino's, I got Pizza Hut over here. What up? Okay guys, here we go.
Hello, thank you for choosing Pizza Hut on 31st and Memorial. Is this gonna be a carryout or a delivery?
Can I do delivery?
Okay, delivery.
Yep.
And what is your phone number, please? And the name on this order.
Steve.
Steve, all right, and your address, please.
It's gonna be 3866 South Sheridan Road, Suite 104. 3866
South
Sheridan
Road.
Yep.
4112. There it is, right there.
Yeah, it's a newer building, but it's Suite 104. I just need like you have like a large pepperoni.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. Just one large pepperoni.
Okay, your total is going to be $14.60, and did you want to pay cash or card?
I'll pay card right now. All right, the Pizza Hut is on the way. It's 45 minutes away, which means it's really like 30 minutes away now. But Sweet Carrera G-Take showed up, and they're jamming the music, so I'm just gonna film it without any sound and we'll throw some music in there.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Okay, my pizza's here. Where's Eddie? Eddie, our pizza's here. Don't over Pizza the Hut, bro. This guy's trying to have a pizza party, and I thought I'd order me some Domino or some Pizza Hut.
You really ordered it?
Yeah, I ordered it.
Oh, okay.
You're like, what the hell?
Is this the right place?
All right, we got the Pizza Hut. Hey, Eddie, do you want to try some real pizza? Okay.
I tried to set up a fight, bro.
All right, you too, buddy. What up? No, don't ruin my pizza! This is my pizza! No! This is the best pizza in the world! You better get an attorney! I ripped my shoe off. See, look! They sealed it.
That 20 bucks you spent could have got you a donation, bro.
Way to go.
It wasn't 20, they're
Sailboat.
way cheaper than your ass. It was $14. Anyway, we're gonna go eat this in the rolls. Oh, Pizza Hut! Some Pizza Hut?
I love Pizza Hut.
He tried to ruin it.
He did?
Yeah, he tried to like.
She's got knife.
I got my nails.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you didn't get the real crust. Oh, that's trash.
Oh no! No!
He got the
No!
wrong
No!
one.
No! Oh! No!
Don't eat that.
It's delicious! I love it! Screw you, Domino's! That didn't work. Thanks for watching. I think that's all the action we have today. See ya.